bored riding roller coasters, upside down, side to side. Though I'm never bored on a roller coaster, it's no big deal, it's only a ride. But I have a goal to get adrenaline pumping. Am I scared? Yes! Am I sane? Well, how'd I ever get talked into jumping from a plane? If I leap in my G.I. Joe gear, if I fly, will I conquer my fear? Terrified and squirming, it's much safer to be terra-firming. If I leap, will I set myself free? Let me try, and it's all up to me. Here on the ledge, I pledge to take that leap. It all started when I was turning 30, feeling stuck, feeling blue. Then I said, amen, I can deal with 30. Joined some friends who knew what to do. Now that we're 13,000 feet and steady, I am brave, I'm alive. All strapped in for a tandem jump, I'm ready to take that dive. When I leap, will my heart skip a beat? When I fly, it will be fucking sweet. Working up the nerve to do it. I'm not scared, so let's get to it. When I leap, will I set myself free? When I fly, will someone please push me here on the ledge, on edge, to make that Whoa! Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm here. Oh my God. Oh my God. There are no words. Look to the east, it's New York City. I'm somersaulting through the air. Look to the west, it's Philadelphia right there. Falling to earth, the journey is almost done now. Parachute, woo! Whooshing sound. Something has ended, something has begun now. Here comes the ground. Did I leave? What a rush it all brings. Did I fly? Peter Pan with no strings. Now I get it, now I hear it. Living life with brand new spirit. Can't wait till the great day when